Developed by Generation Robot's engineering department, this kit enables universities and research labs to apply computer science concepts to a robotic platform without requiring in-house mechatronics expertise, saving valuable development time. It starts with the integration of a LiDAR sensor, enabling precise environment mapping and supporting applications such as SLAM and autonomous navigation. The system is also equipped with an Intel RealSense camera, adding visual perception capabilities like object detection and scene understanding. Powered by an onboard computer with ROS2 already configured, the platform offers a modular and flexible architecture for building and testing robotic applications. With support for both Python and C++, it fits a wide range of development workflows, from quick prototyping to more advanced research projects. All components are designed to work together, reducing setup time and simplifying integration. Finally, the system can be deployed on an AgileX mobile base such as the Scout Mini, creating a compact and efficient platform for mobile robotics. Designed for labs, universities, and innovation teams, the ROS2 R&D Kit provides a solid foundation for developing and validating autonomous systems. Click the link to learn more and request your demo.